Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Typeform templates for user testing questions, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Typeform website. Log into your Typeform account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Templates section on the home page. Click on the Templates link to explore available options. In the search bar, type user testing to find relevant templates. Browse through the results to find a template that suits your needs. Once you find a template you like, click on it to view more details. Review the template to ensure it contains the questions you need for user testing. Look for a button that says Use this template or Start with this template. Click the button to begin customizing your template. This action will redirect you to the Typeform builder. Here, you can edit questions, add new ones, or modify existing content. Make sure to save your changes regularly as you customize. Once you are satisfied with your modifications, click on the Publish button. This will make your Typeform live and ready for user testing. To download the template, return to the main templates page. Locate your customized template under your account's dashboard. Click on the three dots or options menu next to your template. Select the download option from the menu. Choose the desired format for your download. Your template will begin to download to your device. Once the download is complete, navigate to your device's Downloads folder. You can now access your Typeform template for user testing questions anytime. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.